Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Today we are going to make one of the important art and craft supplies, that is glue, at home. First, I will show you the recipe, then we can test our glue. Finally, I will explain about the pros and cons about the homemade glue. So, don't skip the video and watch it till the end. In a pan, add half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Add water little by little and mix it well without any lumps. Totally I have added 1 cup of water. Now switch on the stove and keep it on low flame. Stir the mixture continuously until it becomes thick. This is the right consistency. It should be a thick paste. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now transfer the glue to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator for months. Now it's time to test our homemade glue. First, I'm sticking a normal paper. Next, it's a popsicle stick. This is a type of a lace. Next is a ribbon. Finally, sticking a patchwork and some small gemstones. We usually do many projects with cardboard. So, let's test by sticking 2 cardboards together. Now it's completely dry. You can see I'm trying to peel it, but the glue strength is very strong. Very hard to peel it. It almost tore the paper. You can see the same is happening with the popsicle stick too. For the lace, it's actually pretty easy. The ribbon and the patchwork came tearing the paper. The gemstones came off easily as it's too small. You can see the cardboard piece has stuck really strong. I can't even peel it. It almost tore the cardboard. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of the homemade glue. The pros are it's very strong, cheap and affordable, non-toxic, safe for kids, and it's washable too. The cons are actually it needs to be stored only in the refrigerator. For Indian weather, you can't store it at the room temperature. If you use this glue for making a clay or texture paste, you should seal your project with varnish. Besides this, it's same as our store-bought glue. It can be used for all our basic needs. It dries fast and no shrinkage can be seen. So guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications of more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.